Good afternoon, guys. Hello to everyone. So today, guys, I'm going to show you my Zara haul. Yes, this is the last, I guess, I think this is the last Zara haul this year. It's because this one are all on sale, and I'm checking they have like sale still now, but it's not like £10, £5. It's a little bit more like 17, £20, 30, 40 and up. So I think this will be the last, I guess, you know, because it's not like Zara is always like £10, £5 like that, right? There's just a season normally, January, February, like that. So now we're going to open because the prices of this is still cheap, £5, £10 like that. And maybe next time if I'll do some haul, it will be £20, £10 minimum. So okay, let's open. This is what we got when we open it. So the first is this dress. Okay, this is, you can see, 36 pounds. And looks nice. Look at this. Yeah, looks nice. So let's see later on when I try it. And there's a zipper here. I think I purchased it £7. Yeah, or £6. Oh no, I think £7. Yeah, like that. And then next is, oh, this one. This one is, I don't know, is it nice or not? Okay, this is like the inner one, and this is £80. Oh my god, this is so expensive. £80, but I just purchased this 13 or £15. I think £15. I don't know, what do you think, guys? It's like my size is okay. And then there's a zipper here. The size of this, actually, it's, I think I will keep it, I guess. Let me check it. Yeah, I think I'll keep it. I don't know. It's in the camera, looks nice. In person, look like that, yeah. When you wear it like this, but there's, I don't know, maybe when I wear it, I will decide. But I like it because it's a bit like the size, the length of it. That's the only thing I like so far. Yeah, look, the length is okay. I just don't know, because I tried the River Island last time and I didn't like it that much because it's like so heavy and itchy a little bit. So this one, let's try it because it's £80 and very cheap. I grabbed it. By the way, the one I'm wearing is, this is sale last time. I purchased this 11, £12 or £8 like that. What do you think? It's good or not? It's comfy though, so I'm not sure if I made the right decision to keep it. Okay, next is this one. This is a nice dress. Okay, it's from Europe. 39.95 euro. Okay, I think I purchased it £8. Like, will you do like that? And like this. Let's see the length. Okay, the length is okay also. Yeah, so far so good. The length is good so far, guys. Yeah, which is, I'm so happy because the length is good. Yeah, I think I will keep this. It's good for summer. So this one, I guess I will keep it. This dress, actually I purchased this £15 from £80. It's because it's this dress, I like it to wear for New Year. So I like the length of this. So hopefully it's nice when I wear it. This one for summer, but I'm not so sure. Let's see, because I'm not so sure. But I never tried like this animal print, but let's see. Oh, this one. This is like a wrinkle effect, something like that. So at the back, this is the back. I just don't know the cup. It's a bit small for me. But maybe if I wear it, it's nice. Okay, I hope so. It's wrinkle. What do you think, guys? The length, actually, I'm so happy with the length. Because before I'm buying in Zara, the length is a little bit long. So this one looks good. Actually, I should go far. Yeah, looks good, the length. This one, I think I'll keep it also. Next is, oh, this is a bit tiny. This, oh no, let's see how much is it first. The original price is £50, guys. And I just purchased it so cheap. Oh my god. £50, and this one is less than £10 I bought. But we don't have that sale now. And next is, this is £10 only. So I think I bought it like £3, because supposedly it will match to my, you know, the one last time I purchased. Let me check. Let me show you guys. You know, this one, I don't know, is it okay? This one I keep it last time whole, and then oh, it's not so much same. I don't know, it's not so much, but I still can wear it together. Yeah, do you think? But depends later when I wear it, and if it's not so tight, because I want to breathe. I don't like it when I cannot breathe. Next item, this, okay, this one is how much? £18 UK price. And then actually I just purchased it because it's so cheap. It's just like £3, £4. Just because of the price. Actually, I purchased another color of this, so I will try it also. Let's see, hopefully it's not so much open. Don't know if it's so, oh yeah, here the other one. So £18 also, just brown, but a little length to me, yeah, little up, but it's good cotton. I think this one feels good, yeah. So maybe, yeah, I think it's okay, hopefully. Because you know what happened to me last time? I returned so much items because the last haul, it's like the sizes are too big or too small. So I returned most of it. I returned actually 10 items. I returned 10 items, and then after that I checked today or yesterday, and then they just scanned 9 items. So I don't know, guys, comment down below, what should I do? Should I ask them to check it? Because it's not so much, actually it's just £5, because I returned 1 item worth £5. I mean 10 items I returned, then just 9 items they scan, and then one is the one that they didn't scan, is just £5. So I don't know, should I complain or no need? For half of me, I want to make it correct. Half of me, I just want to say it's okay, because anyway I didn't pay for the delivery because I get it in the shop and I return it in the shop. Because normally if I ask for delivery, I have to pay £3 delivery if I will get it in the Royal Mail, and if I get it in if it will deliver to my home, I need to pay £5, I guess. So I don't know, guys, comment down below. I want to know, should I for £5? What do you think? Okay, next is this one. I don't know, maybe a little bit long, or maybe it's okay. I don't know, but it looks good. I don't know. I'm not so sure about this. But let's see. It's very nice in the model. So hopefully it looks nice to me too. Okay, so this one. And then, to be honest, I'm not so much into this kind of the, how you call it? What do you call it? Like one piece, you know? It's because sometimes if I want to go to toilet, I don't want to so fast remove everything and then put it, you know, like that. I'm a little bit hesitant. But because it's looked nice in the model, I said just let me give a try. I have many clothes like this and I don't wear it. But I purchased this, but I can return it anyway. Actually, no, I'm a little bit scared now to return items because maybe next time it's like expensive one and they don't scan. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Oh my god, guys, this is so heavy. Oh my god. Wait, by the way, let me check how much is this. This one is 46 pounds. Yeah. And this one is, how much is this? 50 pounds. Yeah. So this one, it's very heavy. Oh, it's long for me. I cannot keep it. Ah, okay, this is the design also. It should be small. It looks small, but it's so long. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Cannot even, you know. Look, it cannot. Look, it's in my knee already. It's in my knee already. This one. Oh my god. For sure, I cannot keep this one. Next. This. Ah, okay. This is the trouser that have this design in the side. Yeah, like that. Anyway, this is the first time that I return items that is so much, because normally I just return 1, 2, 3, and then this time I returned so much, so maybe that's why also she have a mistake. So this trouser, I'm not so okay because of the feel. It's like a bit plastic. It's like polyester so much. Actually, I'm buying most of the time cotton, but sometimes if I like the item, I am okay with polyester, but as much as possible I'm really buying cotton or wearing cotton like that. Okay, this one, it's a dress also. Ah, this is a skirt. Okay, it's a skirt which is, how much is this? 20 pounds. Not so expensive. It's blue color. Oh, it's a bit thin. Oh my god, I need to return again. So many, guys. But this time I will double check if they really scan everything before I will leave the store. Okay, this is, I don't know, maybe stretchable. Okay, so it's all empty now, guys. So yeah, I will try it on and later on I will show you what I keep and what I return. Thank you, guys. Bye. And please subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe yet, and hit the bell if you didn't yet. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. See you next time.